In this video, we're going to learn about the claim support structure and slide design. You will learn how the claim support structure improves the design of slides. For example, take a look at this title slide. We have a before slide and an after slide. The before slide features the typical PowerPoint design that many people use. The after slide features the claim support structure. So for example, notice the differences between the titles of the two slides. In the before slide, you have an announcement type title. In the after slide, you have a claim. The claim highlights the most important information from the slide. Also notice that the before slide has basically bullet points, while the after slide has a visual. The visual is the support. Typically in the claim support structure, the support will be a visual, like a chart, an image, or something else that takes advantage of PowerPoint's visual nature. So again, we're going to see examples of before and after the slide design. So here's before. We have a typical title slide. Take a look at the after. Same information, but notice we have a visual. The visual here is the support that supports the title of the claim. So we have a picture of the software program. So that way your audience knows right away what the topic is. Again, here's a before slide. So this is a sort of introduction or preview slide. Here's the improvement. I'll go back and forth to show you the differences again. Notice the difference between the title. Notice the difference between the bullet points to this visual. The visual here is going to grab the audience's attention. It looks more interesting. Plus, it's more helpful. It shows you the process or the organization pattern of your presentation. Here's another example of an introduction type slide. There's the improvement of the claim support structure. Again, I'll go back and forth to show the difference. Notice the announcement title plus bullet points and the improvement. You have a claim and then a visual that supports the claim. Here's another example. Let's take this slide and let's improve it. You have a claim, and then notice we have a flow chart. The flow chart has visuals that shows your audience in one image the whole entire process. So again, we go from this, these bullet points. It's hard to remember this, by the way, to this picture. The picture will be easier to remember the information. Here's another example. So watch how the title will be replaced with a claim and then support to emphasize the most important information. Here we go. Notice how animation is used to illustrate the process here. So again, we have a claim on the top of the slide and then support. I like this one a lot, so let's take a look how we can improve this slide. This slide has an image, so it's already better than the others. But we're not sure what's important on this slide, what we need to be paying attention to. So let's see an improvement. Much better. We have a claim. There's a clear relationship now between the images. And then the blue keywords at the bottom of the screen emphasize the important information. I'm going to stop our video here, but when you're looking at the PowerPoint slides, you can see them on Canvas. Starting at this slide through the rest of the presentation, Michael Alley did some research about what readers remember when they look at PowerPoint slides. So groups of students were given two sets of PowerPoint slides. One group was given the standard slides with mostly bullet points and announcement titles. The other group of students was given slides with the claim and support structure. And slide by slide, he shows you the better test scores that the students with the claim support structure got. So I hope you found this video helpful. Again, the goal of the video is to give you a look at how the claim support structure works so that way you can incorporate it into your presentation for your proposal documents. Please email me if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them.